In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save drafts in DocuSign. Saving a draft in DocuSign is useful when you want to prepare a document now, but send it later. This can help if you're still waiting on final details, reviewing the document, or simply not ready to send it out yet. The good news is that DocuSign makes this process quick and straightforward. To get started, open DocuSign and go to the main homepage of your account. Once you're there, look for the option called Get Signatures. This is the area you'll use to begin creating a new envelope for signing. After clicking Get Signatures, the next step is to upload your documents. Choose the file or files you want to send for signature. Make sure you're selecting the correct version of each document before moving on. Taking a moment to double check here can save you time later, especially if you're working with multiple files. Once your document has been uploaded, you can begin adding the required fields. These are the areas that need input, such as signature fields, date fields, or any other information that must be completed before the document is finalized. Place each field carefully in the right location so the document is ready when you come back to it. If needed, zoom in on the document to position everything more accurately. When you finish setting up the document, go to the top area of the page and click Save and Close. This is the key step that tells DocuSign you want to keep your progress without sending the document yet. It's a great option when your setup is complete, but you want to return to it later for review or final changes. After that, a confirmation message will appear. This lets you know that your document has been saved successfully. It's always a good idea to wait for that confirmation so you can be sure your draft was stored properly. Once saved, your document will be added to the drafts list in DocuSign. You can find it in the draft section whenever you're ready to continue. From there, you'll be able to reopen the draft, make updates, add anything that's missing, and send it when the time is right. And that's how to save drafts in DocuSign. It's a simple feature, but it can be incredibly helpful for staying organized and avoiding rushed mistakes. If you prepare documents in advance or work in stages, using drafts can make your workflow much smoother. Thanks for watching.